We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. continuing to try to hold support here and having an explosive run today towards the 17-cent area, breaking through key resistance levels that we were watching. And it wasn't the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 11:20 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are at MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc., continuing to fight to hold support here and testing key resistance levels. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow, what's going on with the inflow versus outflow, and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run idea was from our Netflix bot. Our Netflix bot sent out a bull indicator at 9:25 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. And if you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are at MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc., doing a full transition here from white with red borders to bright green bars. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with MULLEN stock under a bear indicator at around the 1476 area. Inflows never crossed over on the 30-minute, but lots of volatility here in the first half. And it got a bull indicator at around the 1250 area. A critical resistance, broke right through it, went all the way to 15 and even hit highs here of the 17-cent area. These were the key resistance levels we were watching, but quickly it's come back down in the second half of the day, and it's going to be crucial and critical to watch the inflow versus outflow, not just the 30-minute, but also how it's reacting here on the 15-minute when it crossed over and now it's back below, and the key levels to watch going into tomorrow, guys. Full transitions from the dip areas to the rip areas on multiple time frames, and even on the 1 hour, a bull indicator has popped up, and quickly here in the second half, a bear indicator popped up at around the 14-cent area, with outflows dominating here on the 1 hour. To go ahead and justify any further strength to the upside, these inflows would need to pick up and a possible bull indicator would need to pop up as well in the bigger picture. Now, what are the key levels I'll watch? Well, the first thing is support, guys, and that is the 1250 area. It is acting like a support here in the after hours, and that's been a crucial area of support and resistance in the last several days. And if these inflows could start picking up, it'll be crucial and critical for that strength to reflect into the charts, cancel out this bear indicator with a possible bull indicator, as well as on the 15-minute, as it's really close there to go ahead and cross over, okay? That is something I would not ignore here in the inflow versus outflows on the 15-minute, the 30-minute, and the 1 hour. Now, if the support of 1250 gets broken through and these outflows continue to the downside on the 15-minute and the 30-minute, the next support I'll be watching is the 10-cent area. And then below that is the 8-cent area. Now, to the upside, it's going to be crucial and critical for these inflows to cross back over to justify any strength to the upside, cancel out this bear indicator with a possible bull indicator, and try to roll that strength over into the 30-minute chart as well. Get these inflows towards the midpoint, cancel out that bear indicator, reflect the strength into the charts, and get a bull indicator in the process. And the first resistance is the 15-cent area. Then above that, I'll be watching the 17-cent area, and if that can get broken through and used as support and these inflows are strong and a bull indicator pops up, then I'll be watching the 20-cent area. And that's the highs of the day up here, 17 cents. If that gets broken through, I'll pay close attention to the 20-cent area. So these are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial, and the inflow versus outflows, I would not ignore them, as the 15-minute is really close to the midpoint there. It needs to cross back over and try to roll that strength over into the 30-minute as well. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. So if you made it this far into the video and you are a swing trader or looking to gain an edge when it comes to swing trading, you're definitely going to want to check this out. And this is our new swing bot that will be fully released really soon. And so far, it has sent 2 notifications in the last several days, right? The first one, as you see it popping up there, was NVIDIA on Friday of last week at around $444. And the other one was Tesla yesterday in the pre-market, and from yesterday to today, and even yesterday alone, it ran up nearly $10 plus. Now, when it comes to the NVIDIA one, you could see it popping up there on the screen. I shared the chart yesterday, and I also circled an area, as you see it there in the chart, how it kept on bouncing off that support and trying to hold above 444. And then I put a line across when that notification came in, and now you're seeing this other chart which I shared today in the pre-market, and I stated, right, you could see the same line there, and I put the swing bot notification there at around the 444 area. It was already opening up from yesterday to today at 449, and I talked about in that purple area, the area that kept on acting like support. And there was a strong resistance in the pre-market and previous days at the 452 area, and the bulls would need to break through that for possible continuation. Not guaranteed, but it was important, and inflows needed to cross. Now, when you see it here in the next chart, going into the open, it was broken through, bull indicator popped up, and then inflows crossed over, and you could see the purple area that continued to act like support, and NVIDIA calls were up nearly 100% plus with the swing notification bot since it was sent out, right? And you can see that blue line again where that notification was sent at that after hours on Friday. So this is our new swing bot. If you take a look at Tesla too, it sent it out at around the $256 area, and Tesla went to highs here of nearly $270 in the last 2 days, and it was sent out yesterday in the pre-market, right around this area, and the full move. So typically with these swing bots and the notifications that come in, they're there to add perspective. Nothing's guaranteed, but the goal is for it to add perspective. Take a look for possible support levels and bullish confirmations of a reversal, and from there it typically pans out within several days to weeks, but sometimes it could happen this fast within 1 or 2 days. And when it does, I typically tend to make a rational decision because maybe my goals and strategy and expectations have been met, right? I don't want to get too greedy either, but I wanted to share with you guys our new swing bot that's going to be notifying directly into our Discord on high probability opportunities based off specific criterias and dip areas of white with red borders, as I call them, on multiple time frames and other criterias to confirm of the possibility of it looking like a possible support or area to not ignore for a possible swing of a reversal. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.